Baja de carga y nada, en breve momento cerraremos.
Morning, so here we are in Fuerteventura. Yeah, and I promised you to give you a little bit more information about my trip as a whole. Yesterday I was too tired to do that. So yes, I'm on an 8-day bikepacking trip, and it is bikepacking deluxe this time because no camping. I was just staying in yeah, sometimes hotels like I am in currently right now, all inclusive. So that is really deluxe 2.0, but only 56 euros a night. So that was a bargain I could not let go. And sometimes in yeah, small simple apartments. Now was Saturday, day 2. Yesterday was Friday, day 1. That consisted of flying from Amsterdam to Fuerteventura via Barcelona. Yeah, then I had to take the bus to the rental guy from which I rented the mountain bike. American Star film. Ooh. It's a movie making going on here. Yeah, I had to pick up the rental bike indeed. Then I rode my bike for 40 kilometers in the northern direction towards this area here. Yeah, it's close to Corralejo in the north of Fuerteventura. It was a nice bike ride, only the wind was a bit stronger now. There was a strong headwind, and I should have known that because the wind is always a factor here. But it was totally fine. But yeah, because of the lack of sleep and the whole traveling, I was pretty exhausted. Then I drank some Rum&Cokes in the evening, had some dinner, and then I passed out and had a really good sleep. Yeah, and now it's day 2. I'm staying 2 nights here. I'm doing today a round trip around the northern part of the island. It's really beautiful. This part I actually already did once. So total 8 trips. I'll be visiting, I think, 5. We're staying at 5 different locations around the island, and then I'll fly back next week Saturday. So come along on this trip on this beautiful island. Howdo! Yeah, sorry, the bike.
My baby don't mess around.
Yeah, it's not really full bikes, is it? It's people.
Have a nice day.
You wanna but can't stand to see me walk out the door. I can't stand to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now.
How was it?
Yeah.
Thank God.
0, yeah. Thank you.
And how many kilometers today?
I think about 70.
With a GoPro?
Yeah.
For accidents?
No,
for
a
just
vlog.
fun.
For a vlog.
Oh yeah. Nou, I have lots of fun, hè?
Dankjewel.
Ja, komt goed. Ja.
Kan ook gewoon in Nederland.
Hè?
Kan ook gewoon in Nederland dus.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. If what they say that nothing is forever, what makes love the exceptions? Why are we so in denial when we know we're not happy here? Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Alright. The route that I planned said go this way, but seems to be a private road. Let's not go in there. Let's continue in this beautiful landscape with the volcanoes here in the north of Fuerteventura. Had some raindrops, very light rain, but if it really starts to rain, then these tracks turn into mud. Yeah, let's go ahead and then see where we end up.
You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better.
So it is really beautiful here, at least in my opinion. Not a good place if you like trees, but yeah, the whole marsh feel about this place I really like. And there's some good gravel roads.
No, we're not happy here. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You're alright now, fellas. Oh, what's cooler than being cool? I can't hear you, oh no. I say what's cooler than being cool. And alright.
Life is good.
Alright now, ladies. We're gonna break it down in just a few seconds here. Don't make me break it down for nothing.
I'll take another picture here.
I wanna see you all on your arms by this behavior. I say lend me some sugar. I am your neighbor. Shake, 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 shake.
Hello. Hello, so here we are in the beautiful desert landscape of Fuerteventura. So indeed, had just had a coffee in Lajares, €1.30 for a café con leche. Café leche. Anyhow, not bad. Really nice surfer atmosphere in that town of Lajares. A lot of cool surf people with tattoos and beards. I managed to plan via Strava route planner a mostly unpaved route of about 27 kilometers that comes back into Lajares, but also passes these corrugated roads are but also passes El Cotillo. So I'm gonna follow that Strava route now, and then in El Cotillo I'll join the coastline, the northern coastline of Fuerteventura, back to Corralejo. Corralejo, anyhow, Really enjoying the landscape here. And those blue skies and white clouds. How do
Shake it up and hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. No, no. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. No, no. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. And hey, yeah.
Very nice. Big strong waves. See the red flag is out, so no swimming in this area. I hope to swim in the ocean either today or tomorrow. Okay, closing in on El Cotillo. Truly amazing. And I think the water is also more rough, the waves, than on the west coast. So yeah, just ate a sandwich here, spot, and now continue along the coast. How do? So over there is the lighthouse on the most northern point of the island. I forgot the name, I'll put it here. Yeah, 4 years ago I visited the lighthouse as well and made some drone shots of it, so I'll edit those in after this clip. In the meanwhile, look at this beautiful blue water, still big waves. Yeah, and we're gonna ride along the coastline over here. That's, I think, I need to go a little bit back to find the gravel roads. How do? Pretty sandy, sandy.
I did my best to notice when the call came down the line to the platform of surrender. I was brought, but I was kind, and sometimes I get nervous when I see an open door. Close your eyes and clear your heart and cut the cord. Are we human? Or are we dancers? My sign is vital. My hands are cold, and I'm on my own, waiting for the answer.
Hello, hello, hello. So I somehow lost the main track. I'm now on this farm, so speed is not that high at the moment. Anyhow, I'm not too far away. I think from Corralejo. I see some windmills in the distance there, so it should be 6-7 kilometers. And then, yeah, I should end up with a nice 70 kilometer day. Really enjoying myself.
Are we dancers?
This is niet goed voor mijn billen. This makes my ass hurt. Ah, this is better.
next to grace and virtue. Give my condolences again. Give my regards to stolen romance. They always did the best they could. So long to devotion. You taught me everything I know. Wave goodbye and wish me well. You gotta let me go. Are we human? Are we dancing? My sign is vital. My hands are cold, and I'm on my own, waiting for the answer. Said, are we human, or are we dancers? Will your system be alright when you dream of home tonight?